So let's talk about the chain rule. The chain rule can be solved using this formula: dy dx is equals dy du times du dx. It can be used to solve difficult functions like this. We also have other functions, complex functions. Let's say x squared plus 1 raised to the power half or raised to the power 3 over 2. So complex functions can be solved using the chain rule. So let's illustrate this by solving this question here. So the first thing we do, we try to represent the values here. We say let u is equals to this, let u is equals to this, and then let u is equals 3x minus 4, and then we say y now will be equals to this u raised to the power 5. This is u now raised to the power 5. This 5, remember we left out 5, so y will be equals to this. So we try to differentiate each of these, du dx and dy du. So differentiating du dx, this is 3x raised to the power 4. Differentiating du dx is du dx 3x raised to the power 4, 4 times this, 4 times 3 x, and then we subtract the power 4 minus 1. This is 12x cubed, and then we have dy du, differentiate again, dy du, this is equals to 5 times u, and then 5 minus 1. This gives us 5u raised to the power 4. Now we apply the formula, which is dy dx is equals to dy du times du dx. So let's substitute our values. So we have dy du here is equal to dy du is 5u raised to the power 4 times 12x cubed. So we know u is equals 3x raised to the power 4. So we substitute for u in this is 3x raised to the power 4 minus 5, and then the power 4 is here, and then you say multiply by 12x cubed. So this is dy dx. We now have dy dx 12 multiplied by 5 is equals to 60 x cubed in bracket 3x raised to the power 4 minus 5 raised to the power 4. So this is our answer for this question. So in this question we are asked to use the chain rule to differentiate with respect to x when we have this. So we say let y is equals to 1 upon 3x squared minus 5 raised to the power 3. So this we can write as this goes up according to the laws of indices, the power becomes negative 3x squared minus 5 raised to the power minus 3. So we now use the chain rule. We say let u is equals this becomes u. So we say let u is equals 3x squared minus 5. So differentiating du dx, it becomes 2 times 3, and then 2 minus 1, this gives you 6x, and then if you differentiate minus 5, this gives you 0. So, and we say let y is equals to y is this u now raised to the power minus 3. Y is u raised to the power minus 3. So we differentiate dy du, we with respect to u, this becomes dy du is equal to minus 3 comes down, minus 3 times u, and then minus 3 is subtracted by minus 1. So we now have here minus 3 times u minus 3u raised to the power of minus 4. So you can simply write this as dy du is equals to minus 3, bring the power down, and then this becomes positive u raised to the power 4. So we now apply our chain rule, the formula which says dy dx is equals to dy du times du dx. So applying this formula, we're going to have substitute dy du is minus 3 u raised to the power 4 times du dx. Du dx is simply 6x. From here, this is 6x, we write 6x. We know what we know u is equal to this 3x minus 5. So we substitute for u minus 3, and then we write u is equals 3x minus 5 all raised to the power 4. Don't forget to write the power, times 6x. So here if we multiply, minus 3 times x gives you minus 18, minus 18x, and then you write 3x minus 5 all raised to the power 4. So this is our answer for this question. You can take a look. These are the values, u, and then dy du is this. So you just substitute, and this is our answer.